Yum. Okay, beautiful people, welcome to Juliet's Kitchen. Yasmin here. Today I'm showing you how to make a oven French fries. So I have in here 4 large or extra large Idaho potatoes. I really love Idaho potatoes as French fries. What I've done with these French fries that's really important, you want to try to cut them similar pieces. I don't have a fancy French fry holder or cutter, I should say, so I use a good old knife and a peeler. So I've peeled them, washed them very well, and then I'll soak them in the water for a little bit, probably about a half an hour. And you want to rinse the water a couple of times to get any of that extra starch out of it. So that's really important. And then you really want to make sure that they're very, very dry. And so I usually use 2 towels and just pat it. Cut them thinner if you want. These are about 1/2 to 3/4 inches. Okay, this is a sheet pan that I've lined with parchment paper. I'll probably have to do it in 2 batches. Secret ingredient here is Old Bay seasoning. I'm going to use a full tablespoon. Coat it very well with olive oil. You need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Don't skimp on the olive oil if you want it to be crispy. Just coat it very well. It's important to get it in a single layer. Add the remaining fries in a second pan. You don't want to really overcrowd your pan, otherwise it wouldn't get crisp up. So these are going into the oven at 375 to start. Okay, our timer is going off. It's 20 minutes for the French fries, so let's take a look. Okay, so you just want to make sure when you flip them, use a nice spatula, and if they're all facing one direction, it's easy to flip them over. It's actually softened, which is what you want with the first 375-degree cook temperature. So now I'm going to put it back into the oven, and I've increased the temperature to 450 degrees. Okay, so these are going to cook for probably another 20 to 25 minutes. You want it to get crispy on the outside. Okay, our French fries should be ready. These look amazing. You want to transfer them to a platter, and you could dust them with some Old Bay seasoning. Okay guys, our French fries are all ready. Once you start eating these, you can't stop. It's tender, beautiful crunch, and it's delicious. It really doesn't need any additional sauce. Your thumbs up to this video is very much appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, go ahead and click the icon, my left, your right. To get the details to this recipe in writing, mouse on over to my food blog at julietkitchen.com. Until next time, happy cooking!